All right, everybody. So today is a first for me and for anything that I do on this channel because I don't. New year, new stuff, right? All right. Well, today I have received a package and I am actually super excited about this. So I'm not gonna tell you what it is until we unpackage it. There's no one sent me this. I spent my own hard dollar bills to you know, whatever, buy it because I thought, well, did I need it? Well, that comes to the question of, do I need anything right now? No, I don't, but I wanted it, so I bought it. All right, so if you guys like it, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Who even cares? Let's get straight into this. I need a knife or something of sharpness. Do keys work? Let's try the keys. So I don't have a big, cool camera, but we are gonna just stab it, because and ooh, that's just bubble wrap. See, the funny thing now is that no one what is it? What are those? The peanuts? The peanut wraps? You barely see that anymore. It's always like either even the small bubble wrap. You barely see the small bubble wrap too, but you barely are these the air poppers. Sometimes you can get a big one. Oh, you can get a little one. All right, let's see if we can get a big one. Well, that was just a fart. All right, well, whatever. Yeah, so let's see this. Like, you can't see this. Let's just, I think I just spoiled it. But, oh my, holy hell, this is heavy. I have purchased, if you can tell, I have purchased the ELGATO WAVE 1. Why is everything backwards? Let's fix that real quick. All right, everything's back. All right, so this is the ELGATO WAVE 1. I had bought in the ELGATO WAVE 1, as well as the pop filter and the shock mount because I thought I needed it. And if we're being completely and utterly honest, this mic that I have right now is good enough. It does the job. But, you know, my dumb brain said, oh, you have money? Yeah, we're gonna spend it on dumb crap. Is this dumb? Well, no, it's kind of cool. I actually like this mic, and I've been kind of curious about it. So we can get rid of that. So yeah, I have bought in the Wave 1. I've got the pop filter here, the pop filter. And I have bought in the shock mount, and I've got the Wave 1. Wow, this feels a lot heavier than I actually thought it was gonna be. Maybe it's just the packaging. Maybe I'm just stupid. Well, let's just get into this. Enough talking. I will talk while I open this. So this is the Wavelength 1. I didn't think about getting the Wavelength 3, which I don't know why there's not a 2. Concerns, I don't know. But the Wavelength 1 is, the Wave 1 is no different than the Wave 3, other than I think its recording sample rate, which this records at 4,800,000 kilohertz. I don't know. I'm not an audio engineer. All I know is this is basically the base generic form, and that the other one records at like 9,600 some form or fashion. And you know, 9600 is not necessarily, you're not gonna need it, especially me. I don't record in studio quality, so why would I care? This also comes with the Wave Link, which is that audio interface. So if you know of any big streamer, or as yourself have been thinking about getting into it, and you're looking up videos, and you see not the Stream Deck. Is it the Stream Deck? I think it might be the Stream Deck. The Stream Deck is what everyone that you see uses when they have an XLR mic. It allows them to do, it's an audio interface that allows them to do a lot more. At the same time, it's very expensive. You know, after you get your condenser mic and all the cables, and then you got to route it, and then just go to your PC. It's a lot of stuff. But with this comes with the Wavelength, which it's the Wave Link, which is a audio software that they give you, which basically you can take your audio, and it's basically an on computer or a software that is basically an audio interface, which allows you to do a lot more than you think. All right, let's see. Sorry, I can't. Here, let's do this. So package. We got the package. We got a card and a box. That's what we get is a box. A littler box? That might be cables, I want to say. Cables sounds about right. Fucking hefty barrel USB Type-C cable. So it is USB Type-C to USB 2.0, 3.0? I don't know. All right, here we go. All right, God, please me, don't drop this. So it's in this nice little packaging. Oh God, that's hefty. I'm gonna put that right there. Is there anything under it? Nope, nothing under it. Okay, just making sure, no cool stickers or anything, cause you know me, I like my stickers. All right, we're gonna just put you back in there. I totally screwed it up. Now here is the Wave 1. So let's open this. Don't rip the packaging or I ripped it. All right, well, that's good enough. It's just packaging. I'm gonna throw it away. Ooh, this feels very... Ooh. I did not realize what I had just purchased. Okay, so here we go. Here is the Wave 1 microphone. It's got this little stand. So this is why it's so heavy, is this stand weighs like a good 2 pounds. And then here is the actual microphone. So it feels plasticky. I mean, it's plastic, right? We have the dial on the front, and this, I'm pretty sure, only controls your audio or your headphone audio or your headphone sound, like volume. I think there's a mute button or a play pause button. On the back we do have the USB, God, can you see it? The USB-C and the audio jack in the back, and that's about it. I mean, I'm gonna have to try this out. There's no difference. The dial on the Wave 3 does a lot more, but I think it's a little too complicated and a little too much when they give you the software to do it anyways. I think it's for more quick adjustments, but that's something more that like a streamer would use when I just record a lot. Also comes with this, let's see, you can see that, little adapter. The adapter is for when I pop this off the stand and want to put it on my boom arm. I guess we're just gonna go for it. All right, and pop filter acquired. Keys come back. I'm gonna need you to, I guess it's just a pop filter, so I don't expect much to come with it. It's the same packaging with like the same Elgato sticker, which is, I don't know, I think it's kind of nice. Biodegradable, it says, so I can recycle that, save the earth. Thank you. And here is the pop filter. Wow, that is not what I was expecting. All right, so here's the pop filter. It's gonna look very weird on the camera because the mesh, but that's really it. It's got these little plastic clips that just kind of hook on. Let's see if I can do this right now. Let's see. There you go. That, I did not expect that. I actually did not expect it to just kind of slide on and do that. But that, I mean, mwah. All right, there goes that, and the shock mount. Okay, so this is kind of what I really wanted, was the shock mount, just because I've never had one with the shock mount, and I kind of, if you hear that, I smack my desk a lot, and I don't think that's gonna completely eliminate the sound, but I do think it will help it, just because this boom arm is the cheapy, the like $10 one that you can buy on Amazon, or usually come in all those microphone packages. All right, so there's that. All right, pop filter package opened. That is opened, and here comes this package there. Shock mount, quick start guide. Oh, okay, cool. Let's look at the quick start guide just to, I guess. All right, well, let me pull this out real quick. Sorry. Oh, wow, that is hefty goddamn duty, because that's necessary. All right, well, here's the shock mount. Nothing crazy. Nothing too nuts. Nothing on the back. You can go there. That can go there. Shock mount. So it takes... Alright, well, I will have to figure that... Oh, are the adapters in there? Wait, why would the adapter be in there? I guess I could just take this. You know, I'll have to figure it out. I'll figure it out before the outro. But if we take these, so we have to pop these off and screw them basically into this. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Slowly but surely, not breaking it. I hope God. All right, so the other screw is out, and here's the microphone without it. Let's actually pop this off. Okay, so it's pretty light. I feel like it's could be heavier, but I guess they decided not to have it as heavy as you think it would be. Okay, it's in there. I hope. This one, I am doing this super awkwardly. Do not follow in my example as I like hold it like this and try to screw it in. Are you in? You don't feel like you're in. You feel very, very loose. I don't like that. I think I was more worried that it was wiggling up and down like this, but I think I don't know. Why am I slapping it? And then pop filter on and secured in. And that is the full setup. Wow. I'm gonna try to get this set up. I think I'm gonna set this up for the outro and see how it records, but this is gonna be my last time on the Blue Yeti Nano, and we're just gonna move on with our day and rock with good old Wave 1 and keep progressing in this YouTube grind, I guess. New year, new me. Just got goals to set, and I got goals to work on, and that's what we're gonna work on, all right? And I think this is not gonna motivate me, but it has filled my guilty pleasure of buying random things like Pokemon cards and random things that I just don't have money for. Well, I'll catch you in the outro. All right, well, the Wave 1 is up and running. It is actually might I say amazing? Elgato, you have outdone yourself. No way am I sponsored by any means, but so that means I can give the best, opinion, not the best opinion. I'm not an audio engineer. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I do know when a good product is good, when it actually does what it's intended to do, and, there's not a lot of setup to it. It's like plug it in, download it, the program, which is, wow, I need to work on that because that looks very amazing. But first, right off the bat, the audio quality is actually amazing. I do have at least like 3 filters. I have like an EQ, a compressor, and a noise gate, just because I have a lot of things going on, which in all honesty makes the sound a lot better. But in all honesty, without those, I am completely baffled by this mic. So I do recommend it. Try it out. I will be making a video later on about my little bits and opinions, I hope. But if you guys did like this unboxing of me, rolling around with these boxes, I've got to clean my room. Like, it's honestly, like, if you look at this, let's see. Oh, no, you can't. Whoops. But yeah, this mic is awesome. I got to clean up this mess, so I'll leave you guys there. But like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment what you use as your microphone, whether that be the Shure SM7B because you had money to buy it, or you're rocking with the good old $50 Blue Snowball, or whatever you got rolling around. Maybe it's your Astros mic or your headphone mic. Let me know. As well as subscribe. We're trying to get this channel to 200 subscribers. I'm thinking about changing that to 500 because I'm feeling ballsy, all right? I've got a lot of energy. I'll catch you guys later, and you have a great night.